Noticed it at your workplace or your school. Just in time for the holidays, COVID cases are starting to rise again. And now there's a new warning about a new variant that's currently the fastest growing strain of the virus. Jennifer Hoff has more on how local doctors are tracking it.
A new COVID variant spreading so fast, the World Health Organization deemed it one of interest, stepping up its investigations now into cases that first worried scientists over the summer.
But it's truly just been in the past few weeks that we've seen it take off in the U.S. And that's also been when we're seeing cases in general go up locally.
Hennepin healthcare doctor Hannah Lixton says tracking cases is now tougher as fewer people test for COVID. And if they do, it's likely at home and not included in local data, like the health department that is showing an increase in every age group, but it's wastewater tracking that's more reliable.
What the wastewater data can tell us is a better sense of what's actually going on in the community.
The University of Minnesota dashboard monitors 38 treatment facilities across the state, nearly all of them showing double-digit increases in virus levels the last 2 weeks. St. Cloud with one of the highest at 120%.
We tend to see that spike before we start to see the sick patients. So it really gives us a glimpse of what's about to come.
At least, she says, the symptoms appear to be the same as the virus's other strains and just as preventable with a vaccine.
I mean, I think this is a part of our lives, and we can recognize now that it's not going away. And so I think that the way we think about these seasonal viruses, these respiratory viruses, has changed, and for the better.
Right, but there's also this. The CDC says only about 18% of people now have gotten that latest COVID vaccine that came out just this past fall. These rising cases likely due to waning immunity and holiday travel. The doctors, Lauren, saying if you are sick, they say to just simply sit out this Christmas to keep those at risk. And we know that can be hard, especially now as some of that might be in the rear view, but just reiterating again, if you don't feel well, stay home.
All right, timing's not great. Jennifer, thank you.